What it do? Hey you, what it do? What it do? What it do?
Alright, so what's up my YTE homies?
So what's up you guys? This is Alethea coming in at you with another video. And this is going to be my regular Boxycharm unboxing. Well, actually not an unboxing. It's actually a reveal, so to speak, because I've already opened this box and saw what was in this box, and I'm not very happy, a bit displeased. Anyway, so the inside of this one is the pink. I like the pink on the inside of the box. So with this box, this is the regular base box. And as I said in the last video, and I'm gonna say in this video, this box retails for $25. And I forgot how much the products in that box are supposed to be worth, but anyway. So first thing I'm gonna pull out of here are these refreshing cleansing hemp wipes from Ebates Skin Aurora. And they're just in this little black thing right here, and I don't know how many are in here. Yeah, it's just some wipes. And then we have the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And I don't even know if I want to use this because I am very picky when it comes to setting powders. And this one is like pretty white. And the little seal is still on there because I definitely haven't opened it up. So I'm just gonna take it and kind of put it back here in the box until I decide what I want to do with it, because like I said, I'm very picky when it comes to setting powders. So in my premium box, and I don't know if I I don't think I pointed it out in the video, but there were 6 products in my premium box. And this box has 5 products. So the next thing that I pull out is the Luxie Complete Sponge Set. Now here is a sponge set from Luxie. They were either going to have, you either got a brush set with 3 brushes or this sponge set. And they come in various sizes, and I would have preferred the brushes because I have a ton of brushes. Let me say that first off. I have a ton of brushes, but I still would have preferred the brushes. And I have a ton of beauty sponges. So these come in different sizes, and let's see what they feel like. So this one is a little bit more soft feeling, while this one has that rubbery type of feel. I don't know, but yeah. I like the little case though that it comes in. Looks like a little window. I like that. And then the next thing in here was our choice item. You either got the choice of this Iconic London palette, or you got the choice of Becca foundation, or it was one other thing. So here is a mirror that comes on there, and this is what the palette looks like. So this is the Iconic London palette, and like I said, it was the choice item, and I did choose this one because I definitely did not want a Becca foundation. Now here's where my disappointment comes in at. Everything else in the box I'm pretty much fine with, but my disappointment comes because I received this Laura Geller. It is a baked gelato swirl illuminator in gilded honey. And that's what it looks like. And mind you, it's a pretty color. But my problem comes in with the fact that a few months ago, I received a baked gelato in the color Ballerina from Boxycharm. So I have this same product. It's a different color, mind you. It's a different color. It's a different color, but it's the same product. It's the same product. Okay, so I know it may be kind of hard for you to see this, so I'm going to read this to you. But I did send Boxycharm an email letting them know that I was dissatisfied with the fact that I got that highlighter and that I had recently got the other color highlighter. So it took them about a week for them to respond, and this is what they said to me. Hello, Alethea. Thank you so much for contacting Boxycharm. We are so sorry for the delayed response. We have received an overwhelming amount of inquiries the past few days that have delayed our responses for all charmers. But don't you worry. We can assure you that we are working around the clock to answer each and every charmer in that order we receive your inquiries. In the order we receive your inquiries, sorry. We're sorry to hear that your boxes arrived this way. We took a peek into your February base box and see that you were meant to receive the following items this month.
First Aid Beauty Racial Radiance Pads, Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray, Iconic London Day to Slay Eyeshadow Palette, Luxie Beauty Complete Sponge Set, and EVO Beauty Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Then they go on to say what's supposed to be in my premium, but I'm not going to go through that one because that was no problem. So then they say, although we sometimes bring back past fan favorites to give new members the chance to enjoy them, we won't send you the same product or shade twice in your monthly boxes on an account that already received it in the past. The only exception to this is Choice, our monthly customization program that allows members to choose an item in a future box. If a past product is featured in Choice, we'll honor your choice if you select to receive it again or select the Surprise Me option. Hope this helps. If you have any further concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Have a charming day. And then, I guess her name is Revin and your Boxycharm team. But here's my problem. So my problem is that did not give me a solution because I didn't ask to be surprised because I did receive the eyeshadow palette that I chose for Choice. So once again, they didn't say what would happen, what would, be the rectification for this problem. So I replied, well, can you please tell me if anything will be done about me receiving that highlighter? I understand all that you stated, but I did not choose that item. So why did I get it and will I get a replacement item? Thank you. Well, I have not received a reply as of yet, so I don't know whether or not I'm just going to not receive the item that was supposed to be in my box because, of course, as I read that, you saw that that highlighter was not supposed to be in my box. So how it ended up in my box, I don't know, but at any rate, I have it.
I have the subscription to Boxycharm because I want to receive items that I have not received before. And if I have something that I get in a box, is because I've already purchased it with my own money, not because it came in a box a couple of months before the box that I have. So in actuality, I've tried this. I didn't need another one to try because I'm supposed to be trying to find out or try new things. So they didn't let me try something new. However, and also with this, I ended up getting, and I don't know like where Boxycharm, when they started doing it, but I got like a virtual card. So my box doesn't actually have a card in it because I received a virtual card. So I'm not going to check my email to tell you how much this box is worth. I'll just put it down at the bottom if I remember. But yeah, I got a virtual card. So anyway, this moisturizer, I don't know if you could see it from the other video, that 24 karat gold, what is it, the 24 karat gold, it's just sitting on there. It hasn't absorbed all the way in my skin. I don't know if I like that. So anyway, that is it for this video. Now I'm going to go ahead and get myself ready for bed and take off this makeup and all that good jazz and everything. And so yeah, I definitely appreciate you guys coming to check out another video here on my little channel, as I like to say. Oh, that hurt. I definitely appreciate you guys. Yeah, I need to go ahead and get rid of these lashes. I've worn them enough, but I think I can wear them at least one more time. My eyes aren't popping anymore. So anyway, that is it for this video. I definitely appreciate you guys coming to check out another video on my channel. So until the next time, and in between time, you ladies, oh, thank you to my oldie but goodies, and thank you to all the new subscribers. I do appreciate you for coming to check out my little channel. And so until the next time, and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one.